Back again with the next video, guys. So you're about to remove this gear shifter. It's hard to get out of park, as you can see, but when it's in the other gears, it's moving freely. It's hard to get into park as well. So guys, so the shifter has been held on by 4 bolts right here. So one here, the other on the other side here, and the other one here. Right. So we're about to pull off all the electronics. So here we go. So about to pull off the shifter cable now, guys. So we pull this white tab right here, and then we just pull it off. Alright. So about to release the 4 bolts now. Alright guys, so the cable has come off. So even when we push the emergency release button, it's still hard to release out of park, as you can see. Alright guys, so now there's our next electronic sensor component right here. So we're about to unplug it. So you would need a flathead screwdriver because you can't push your fingers in here, so it's a little bit too small. So compress it and pull it out. Now so I'm about to release the cable from off the shifter here. So alright guys, so as you can see, here's the one shifter out. And here you have the new shifter now, so same procedure. As you can see now, so this is the new one. So about to shift lock it and show you. So push the emergency shift. So about to reinstall it now. Alright now guys, so the shifter has been installed, so about to do the final fit up. Alright now guys, so moment of truth, see if the shifter work. Alright, car start. So foot on the brakes down there. Alright. Fast, out of gear. Alright. Yeah. Alright guys, so that is it. Alright, see that everything is back together now guys.